May we have the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to commence with the program, sir? Thank you, sir. Namaskar and a very good morning to one and all. It is an opportune moment for me, on behalf of the High Court of Chhattisgarh and on behalf of the State Judicial Academy and State Legal Services Authority, to welcome you all at this 8th round of state-level consultation on children in conflict with law, focusing on prevention, restorative justice, and diversion on alternatives to detention, organized by the High Court Committee on Juvenile Justice in association with the State Legal Services Authority and the State Judicial Academy. Since no academic celebration is complete without the national anthem of our beloved country, I request all our guests to please rise for the national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
We'll have our traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, to bless us all with humility and wisdom. I request the respected dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamps. Sir, I request Sri Lokesh Patre to help the dignitaries with the lighting. Thank you, sir. Starting with the welcoming of our guests, I request Sri Arvind Verma, Registrar General, High Court of Chhattisgarh, to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Patron-in-Chief, State Judicial Academy. I request Sri Rajneesh Srivastava sir to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Gautam Bhaduri, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Chairman, State Legal Services Authority. I request Sri Sudhir Kumar sir to felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Chairman, State Judicial Academy. I request Sri Kujur sir to please felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Arvind Singh Chandel, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Chairman, Juvenile Justice Committee, High Court, as well as a member of our State Judicial Academy. I request Sri Shakti Singh Rajput sir to please felicitate Honorable Sri Justice Deepak Kumar Tiwari, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and member, Juvenile Justice Committee, High Court. I request Shri Rigri Saab to please felicitate Honorable Shri Justice Rakesh Mohan Pandey, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, and Member, Juvenile Justice Committee of High Court. I request Honorable Shri K.L. Chiryani sir to please felicitate Honorable Shri Justice P.P. Sahu sir, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. I request Shri Ashok Sahu sir to please felicitate Rajni Dubey ma'am, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. I request Shri B.P. Pandey sir to please felicitate Naresh Kumar Chandravanshi, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. I request Shri Suresh Soni Saab to please felicitate Honorable Shri Justice Sachin Singh Rajput sir, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. I request Shri Anand Dhruv to please felicitate Honorable Shri Justice Radha Krishna Agrawal, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. I request Shri Arvind Sinha to please felicitate Honorable Shri Justice Sanjay Jaiswal, Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh. Thank you, sir. This seminar is an effort for providing a platform to all the stakeholders to think aloud and express their views so that the ultimate stakeholders, the children, gets benefited. I humbly invite Honorable Shri Justice Arvind Singh Chandel for his welcome and introductory address.
My Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Mr. Justice Gautam Bhaduri, Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay K. Agrawal, my esteemed brothers of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, on and off the dais, distinguished guests, representatives from the various departments present today, registry officials, judicial officers of the state, district judiciary, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to each one of you. Firstly, I welcome each one of you in this seminar. हाई कोर्ट जुनायद जस्टिस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष होने के कारण मैं इस अवसर पर ऑनरेबल श्री जस्टिस रविंद्र भट्ट, जज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड चेयरपर्सन चाइल्ड वेलफेयर कमेटी सुप्रीम कोर्ट एवं ऑनरेबल जस्टिस श्री रमेश सिन्हा, चीफ जस्टिस हाई कोर्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ को हार्दिक धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने इस सेमिनार के माध्यम से सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को विधि के साथ संघर्षरत किशोरों के संबंध में आपसी चर्चा का एवं उनके अधिकारों को बेहतर तरीके से किस रूप में इम्प्लीमेंट किया जा सकता है, इस विषय पर अपने विचार रखने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रदान किया है। मित्रों, आज हम जुनायद जस्टिस सिस्टम से जुड़े सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स के परामर्श के 8वें दौर के संबंध में आयोजित इस सेमिनार में जिम्मेदारी और समर्पण की गहरी भावना के साथ एकत्र हुए हैं। मुझे आज चिल्ड्रन इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद लॉ, प्रिवेंशन, रेस्टोरेटिव जस्टिस एंड डाइवर्शन एज ए अल्टरनेटिव टू डिटेंशन के अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ है। यह सुनिश्चित करना हमारा परम कर्तव्य है कि न्याय न केवल निष्पक्षता से मिले, बल्कि यह हमारे बच्चों सहित हमारे समाज के सबसे कमजोर लोगों की जरूरतों और अधिकारों को भी संबोधित करे। यह हमारे बच्चों की भलाई, भविष्य तथा हमारे समाज के धागों से जुड़ा हुआ है। हम उन बच्चों के सामने आने वाली चुनौतियों को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते जो खुद को कानून के साथ संघर्ष में पाते हैं। यह महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम एक दयालु और प्रबुद्ध दृष्टिकोण अपनाएं यह पहचानते हुए कि वे समय की गलतियों से मुक्ति से परे नहीं हैं, उन्हें समर्थन, मार्गदर्शन एवं पुनर्वास की आवश्यकता है। रोकथाम हमारी रक्षा की पहली पंक्ति में होना चाहिए। उन मूल कारणों का समाधान करना आवश्यक है जो बच्चों को गैर कानूनी गतिविधियों में शामिल होने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। गरीबी, शिक्षा की कमी, पारिवारिक विघटन और हिंसा का जोखिम, ये कुछ ऐसे योगदान कारक हैं जिनका हमें सामूहिक रूप से समाधान करना चाहिए। बचपन की प्रारंभिक शिक्षा, सामाजिक कार्यक्रमों और सामुदायिक सहभागिता में निवेश करने से निसंदेह एक सुरक्षित और अधिक समावेशी समाज बनाने में दीर्घकालीन लाभ मिलेगा। प्रिवेंटिव जस्टिस जुवेनाइल्स के प्रति हमारे दृष्टिकोण के केंद्र में होना चाहिए। प्रिवेंटिव जस्टिस अपराध से होने वाली क्षति के प्रतिपूर्ति, पीड़ितों और औपचारिक बालकों दोनों के लिए उपचार को बढ़ावा देने पर केंद्रित है। यह पीड़ितों को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार देता है और औपचारिक बालकों को उनके कार्यों की जिम्मेदारी लेने की अनुमति देता है। ऐसा करके हम सहानुभूति, समझ और अंततः एक अधिक एकजुट समुदाय को बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं। अल्टरनेटिव्स टू डिटेंशन को एक व्यवहारिक एवं प्रभावी विकल्प के रूप में देखा जाना चाहिए। बच्चों को बाल संप्रेक्षण गृह में रखना उन्हें और अधिक नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है और उन पर नकारात्मक प्रभाव डाल सकता है। यह अंतिम उपाय होना चाहिए। कम्युनिटी बेस्ड इंटरवेंशंस, काउंसलिंग, वोकेशनल एजुकेशन प्रत्येक बच्चे की विशेष आवश्यकताओं के अनुरूप सहायता के अन्य रूप में शामिल हो सकते हैं। उन्हें दूसरा अवसर देकर हम आपराधिक व्यवहार को बढ़ने से रोक सकते हैं और इसके स्थान पर विकास और सकारात्मक बदलाव का मार्ग अपना सकते हैं। न्यायपालिका के सदस्यों को सरकारी एजेंसियों, गैर सरकारी संगठनों, शैक्षणिक संस्थानों और परिवार सहित अन्य हितधारकों को साथ मिलकर काम करना चाहिए। यह सुनिश्चित करने के लिए सहयोग और समन्वय आवश्यक है कि हमारे प्रयास व्यापक एवं प्रभावशाली हों। अंत में न्याय के प्रबंधक के रूप में कर्तव्य हमसे यह अपेक्षा करता है कि हम कानून का उल्लंघन करने वाले बच्चों की क्षमता को और कमजोरियों को पहचानें। रोकथाम, पुनर्स्थापनात्मक न्याय एवं परिवर्तन केवल चर्चा की जाने वाली भी अवधारणाएं नहीं है, बल्कि ऐसे सिद्धांत हैं जिन्हें आत्मसात किया जाना चाहिए, अपनाया जाना चाहिए और लागू किया जाना चाहिए। आइए हम एक ऐसे दृष्टिकोण के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध होकर आगे बढ़ें जहां इन बच्चों का भविष्य उनकी पिछली गलतियों को परिभाषित नहीं होगा, बल्कि विकास, पुनर्वास एवं पुनर्एकीकरण के लिए प्रदान अवसर से परिभाषित होगा। आप सभी का पुनः स्वागत। धन्यवाद।
Setting the stage platform for the technical sessions, I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to invite Honorable Shri Justice Sanjay K. Agarwal for his keynote address. Sir.
Shri Ramesh Sinha Sahab, my esteemed brother and sister judges, my dear judicial officers, Principal Magistrate, Juvenile Justice Board, Special Member, Juvenile Justice Board, Chairperson, Child Welfare Committees, District Program Officers, District Children Protection Officers, Representative of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Additional Chief Secretary, Public Health and Family Welfare, representatives of Department of Women and Child Development, Home, Public Health, Family Welfare, Medical Education, School Education, representatives of UNICEF, visitors of Government Observation Home, ladies and gentlemen, representatives of print and electronic media, very good morning to all of you. First of all, I congratulate the High Court Juvenile Justice Committee headed by my brother Justice Chandel, Chhattisgarh State Legal Service Authorities headed by my brother Justice Bhaduri and Chhattisgarh State Judicial Academy for organizing this program of state level consultation on focus on children in conflict with law for prevention, restorative justice and diversion and alternative to detention. The title of 2015 lesson suggests it is both categories of children and that require care and protection. It aims to provide a protective environment for all the children, enabling them to lead safe, secure and well-protected life. The greatest natural resource is the mind of our children. Today they are our reflection and tomorrow they will be our shadow. It has been observed that when we form an alliance with a child, they inspire us in two sentiments, tenderness for what they are and respect for what they may become. This very thought fills our heart with joy. Children require care, protection, love, and affection by social integration. In Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's word, which I quote, children are like birds in garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. I hope and trust that today's consultation will provide us an opportunity to engage in thoughtful dialogue, share best practices, and explore innovative approaches and that can have the way for brighter future of our children. I conclude my address by quoting renowned Urdu poet Mira Fazli, which I quote, अपना गम लेके कहीं और ना जाया जाए, अपना गम लेके कहीं और ना जाया जाए, घर में बिखरी हुई चीजों को सजाया जाए, घर में बिखरी हुई चीजों को सजाया जाए, घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर, चलो यूं कर लें, घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर, चलो यूं कर लें, किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को हंसाया जाए. Thank you very much.
Enlightening us with your words, sir. It's my privilege to invite Honorable Shri Justice Gautam Bhaduri to address the gathering, sir.
My Lord Chief Justice Shri Ramesh Sinha ji, my brother Sanjay Agrawal, and his Chairman Judicial Academy, Brother Arvind Singh Chandel, Chairman of the committee which is organizing this event today, all the brother judges who are on the dais and off the dais, the respective all the judicial officers, stakeholders, the government officials, the police department. A very good morning to all. Before I make a small address, one thing we have to bear in mind, back of mind, that let us accept the truth which is existing today. As we see it, we come across the actual motto of this act the welfare is not being provided to the needy children. There are, but then still lot is to be done. The entire stake is about to correct their behavior. Even if they have done it, then what is the measure? The best example would be ourselves. Everybody has grown up from their childhood, and there are children who don't get that privilege, or for some reason or other, they indulge into some other thing. Now the role of the stakeholders that comes into play. If I can say all who are present here, that out of the Indian population it's said to be 140 crores. And if we take the state, it is more than 3 crore. Out of that, the persons who are present in this auditorium, they have been privileged by the Almighty to serve. Therefore, it is our prime and privilege, duty, to discharge what is bestowed on us. It is not a stake that is a codified law and we just fill up the form and data. It has to reach to that children who is at the receiving end. Everybody must have read a small incident yesterday. It came into paper that 3-4 children, they went for some picking up some fruit, some things. One fell down, and he was thrown into the river. Why this state of affair? What the mind they do? It has to be explored. It is to be corrected. They don't know what they are doing. That's why I said it is the best example ourselves. By the grace of God, we have been protected, we have grown, and the morals have been taught. And it is the people have seen, it's the experience that in the correction home, if a children who's put along with the other, that grows at the percentage is more that he turns into some the legal activity rather. That is the whole purpose of us to join here. Therefore, it is the consciousness which is ultimately you have to answer yourself. Everybody is bestowed with power. Let us use that power in the best of the child for whom this event is organized. Believe in yourself that you can do. Otherwise, nothing can be achieved. I can say if you think that you are beaten, you are. If you think that you dare not, you don't. Don't do that. The entire efforts is to the upliftment and for the betterment. We have to only discharge our pious duty which is bestowed on us selected by the Almighty. It is not a divine, it's not an ordinary duty which has been bestowed on us. Therefore, please take maximum advantage of the discussion which will take place today. And I thank our Chief Justice for this idea that all the stakeholders, they come together on one platform. And small things come up that may be the big solution for everybody. Thank you very much and all the best.
For your influential message, sir. May I take this opportunity to invite the man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, Honorable Shri Justice Ramesh Sinha, the Chief Justice High Court of Chhattisgarh and Patron-in-Chief of our State Judicial Academy.
My esteemed brother, Justice Bhatri, Justice Sanjay K. Agrawal, Justice Arvind Singh Chande, Justice Rakesh Mohan Pandey, Justice Dinesh Kumar Tiwari, and my sister and brother judges who are sitting off the dais, distinguished guests and from the various departments, ladies, gentlemen, persons from media, very good morning to all of you. We all have gathered here for the 8th round of annual stakeholders consultation on child protection organized by the Juvenile Justice Committee of the High Court in association with the State Judicial Academy. Today, the matter for address is of utmost importance in our society, the issue of children in conflict with law. Gabriel Mistral, poet from the Chile, who has won the Nobel Prize, has written, I quote, "We are guilty of many errors and many faults, but our worst crime is abandoning the children. Neglecting the fountain of life, many of the things we need can wait. The children cannot wait. Right now is the time. His bones are being formed, his blood is being made, and his senses are being developed. To him we cannot answer tomorrow. His name is today. Our children are the foundation of our future, and it is our collective responsibility to ensure that they grow into responsible and compassionate adults. We must provide them with right guidance and support, especially when they find themselves entangled in the web of the law. The phenomena of the children involved in criminal activities challenge us to rethink our approach to justice. Traditionally, punitive measures often fail to address the underlying causes of their actions, perpetuating a cycle of crime and perpetrating harm instead of fostering rehabilitation. We must therefore embrace alternative methods that emphasize prevention, restorative justice, and diversion to create a brighter and safer future of our young ones. Honorable Supreme Court has directed the state governments and the Union of Territories to implement the standard operating procedures for such children. It has been brought to my notice that some programs like Ujiyar and Umid have been launched in the state of Chhattisgarh to meet the very object of the rehabilitation of children in conflict with law. It has also been brought to my notice that the pendency of juvenile matters, which was 6,090 as on 1st of January 2021, is presently 3,845, that is almost 37% reduction in pendency. The pendency of petty cases, which was 1,405 as on 1st of January 2021, is presently 253, that is almost 82% reduction in pendency. During the period from 1st of January 2023 to 31st of July 2023, total filing of juvenile matters is 2,691, whereas the total disposal during the same period is 4,829, which shows the disposal rate is 1.8 times more than the filing rate. I must compliment the High Court Juvenile Justice Committee for shaking up the administration and seeing to it that we are not left behind in the matters of juvenile. Prevention is the cornerstone of any effective judicial system. We must invest in our early intervention programs that identify and address the root causes of juvenile delinquency. By addressing the issues that can push the children towards criminal behavior and providing necessary support systems, we can significantly reduce the number of children involved in conflict with the law. Restorative justice should be at the heart of our approach to juvenile offenders. The emphasis must shift from punishment to healing and reconciliation. It is essential to involve all stakeholders, including the victims, the community, and the offenders themselves in the process of repairing the harm caused by their actions. Through restorative justice practices, we can encourage empathy, accountability, and understanding, fostering an environment where the children can learn from their mistakes and be motivated to reintegrate into society as productive members. Diversion programs offer a vital opportunity for children who commit minor offenses to steer away from the formal justice system. Instead of being subjected to detention facilities, these children can benefit from community-based alternatives such as counseling, education, or vocational training. Diversion recognizes that not all children need to be treated as criminals and provides them with a chance to learn from their mistakes without suffering lifelong consequences. Detention should be considered as a last resort for the children in conflict with law. Placing them in correctional facilities often exposes them to hardened criminals and further stigmatizes them, hindering their reintegration into society upon release. We must reserve detention for cases that pose a genuine threat to public safety, and even then, we must ensure that their time in custody focuses on rehabilitation and education, not punishment. I hope this seminar will foster collaboration between the judiciary, law enforcement, social services, and community organizations. Together, we can create a comprehensive and compassionate system that works for the best interest of the children and the community. My best wishes for the success of this seminar. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lordship, for giving this seminar a direction for discussion in the technical sessions. Moving forward, the High Court Juvenile Justice Committee has prepared an informative. It is a compilation of information about all the stakeholders of juvenile justice system. We hope it will be a valuable resource for everyone. We very humbly request Honorable the Chief Justice to please release the booklet. Thank you, sir. Wait. chronology. It would be incomplete if this information will not be available on our website. So we have made this booklet available in our website as well. I request Honorable the Chief Justice to please release the booklet virtually as well, sir. We hope that this will make it even easier for the people to learn about their rights. Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of all of us here today, I would like to extend a warm and heartfelt vote of thanks to Honorable the Chief Justice and all the Honorable Judges of the High Court. Thank you for being here today. We are honored to have you all with us. Thank you, each one of you, for joining us at the inaugural session. We'll of course be meeting at the technical sessions. With the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice, may we conclude the program, sir?